It's officially the off season for us, so it's time to make some updates to the RV. I got this in the mail from Pampavanna. What is it? Magnetic knife holder. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which means it's a pretty strong magnet. Anyway, we're going to set it just right over in here. This will be easy access for when we're cooking. So I'm going to put it up, give it a test, see how good it works. See right off the bat, some screws with anchors. They have a 3M strip you can use. Comes with instructions. It's so good for people to actually send instructions nowadays. You'd be surprised at how many things you get and there's no instructions for it at all. So it's a pretty simple process. We actually will not be using the screws and the anchors because I don't want to screw it in to my wall here. Instead, we're going to try out the 3M and see how good that works. It's packaged really nicely. I like that. You can tell the magnet's pretty strong right off the bat. That's a plus. You're going to be going down the road. You're going to be rattling. You're going to be rocking your camper. You don't need your knives falling down. You'll see it has these on the back where you can put the screws in and use that. So installation was that simple. The magnet on it is pretty good. Of course, I'm being silly here, but as you can see, anything sticks to it. A magnet on a magnet worked just fine. A lot of our stuff is in the house because we've already started unloading the camper. Camping spoon, no problem. Paring knife, no problem. Scissors. It's a little hook. Magnet on magnet works just fine. And of course, the old trusty Gerber. I'll put a link in the description where you can get your own. And I'll tell you, we're working on that outdoor cooking space. I'm going to get another one of those and use it for out there. Highly recommend this 16-inch Pampavanna knife holder. Definitely worth